Kyle on Awesome Medicine TV, and today I have a So Crazy sewing machine. And today I'm just going to be making a pencil holder, so let's get started. So this needs to pull out. You just fold it up, place it under, push down, and then you have to get your foot pedal, plug it in over here, put it on the floor, and then you have to hold it to make sure it goes through. And let's get started. I forgot it. Hold it the other way. Guys, I forgot you have to hold it the other way. So you just
That Dolly Parton movie's on. You wanted to watch. Okay, girls, it's time to do little Pim.
and you push
Mommy has to go.
it down.
Turn
And
it
you
on.
do that. And then
Ashley.
to pull it
Okay.
here.
So you unplugged your iPad before I told you to, so now it's almost dead. Now you're going to go sit on the wall and watch little Pim. Go sit. I told you that it was not time to get on your iPad yet, didn't I?
Put it through. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Didn't I?